Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside the exact chat that holds the audio. Tap the contact or group name at the top. This opens chat info. Once there, select Media, Links, and Docs to surface files quickly. You do this because WhatsApp sorts images, videos, and audio separately, so jump straight to the Audio tab rather than scrolling the entire chat. If you see a dedicated Audio tab, open it to list sent voice messages and uploaded tracks without hunting through messages one by one. Now, refine the search inside the chat. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Search, then type a keyword, phone number, or the sender's name to jump to relevant messages. Make sure to scan message timestamps as you go. Play icons show voice notes inline so you can preview without downloading. Once done, check starred messages from the chat menu if you or the sender flagged it. This often speeds up retrieval when conversations are long or active. Finish by deciding what to do with the audio. Tap to play and download, or long press to forward, share, or save to your device. If the clip is missing, inspect your device storage under WhatsApp/media/WhatsApp voice notes or check Google Drive/iCloud backups. Backups restore older audio. If problems persist, make sure WhatsApp has storage permissions enabled, then resync your backup. This solves most missing audio issues. And if playback fails, try clearing app cache before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.